Yo, let me tell you about 5 game-changing tools that not only boosted my productivity, but also skyrocketed my art skills. So stick around because those tools will be useful for you. So now, I've been drawing for like a 1.5 year now. I've made some progress, a good progress, and I'm just sharing, all the stuff that I know with you so you can make faster, better, and easier progress. So in the beginning of last year, probably like March or I don't know, April, I started to take art seriously. And what I realized is that I'm struggling with productivity a lot. So even though I had this goal, okay, to, take art seriously, I still struggled. I watched for hours and hours YouTube, okay? So I'm not even joking. So whenever I came back from work, okay, I get like, I don't know, like 5 to 6 hours of free time. And in that time I want to draw, I want to, create. But still, like for like 4 to 5 hours, like 80% of my free time I would spend watching YouTube. Year prior to that, I started self-improvement, okay? And I knew those tips. I knew those, tools and stuff that really helped me back then, but I just, didn't bother to do them anymore. So I was thinking maybe like it will come handy, it will help me now. And guess what? It did. So throughout the months, okay, I tried to play with different tools and, like tactics and stuff to see what, what's giving me the most boost, okay? And I realized what, so will tell you in this video all the stuff that helped me, make a huge progress actually with productivity, and not only that, but also art. So first let's start with my, I really love this. So it's to-do list, and what it is, well, actually let me tell you. So we're in this app, Melnote, I use that, and it's not sponsored, okay? But how I do that, I just use that, okay? Here I have all my references for characters, okay? In those folders. So what I do here is, okay, let's make something. So let's make a column, okay? Let's put that, let's call it to draw list, okay? And what it is basically you can group them into like games. So let's say Overwatch, okay? And here we can just pick a character that you want to draw. It's pretty simple. So you can, I don't know, let's say Mercy, okay, Kiriko, okay? And also you can add another one for like, I don't know, like maybe, so maybe Akali from League of Legends, and let's add the title, okay? Lol, it's basically it, okay? So then, okay, you can make like this version or the version on like steroids, okay? So what it is, this simple version is just game and character, okay? Okay, let's say it's tomorrow, you want to draw, you open up this, or you can use also like an, I don't know, like even sticky note or something, okay? Whatever you want. Just start drawing, finish, tick, boom. Now it's the next drawing, okay? Boom. You have a list. So often in the beginning, I didn't know what to draw, and because of that, I had excuses and I didn't even start drawing. So, it did for me that, now I know what to draw, so I don't have excuses, I gotta draw. So yeah, like also you can do a version like, better than this. So it's basically like, I don't know. So let's go here and you can do like something like that, like, okay, pose, I don't know, like dynamic standing or whatever, okay? And then you can do lighting, like top lighting, like mood, like, I don't know, like happy or whatever. You can, like create this drawing idea. You can even put some sketches in this. So what I would also do to that is, like it's basically planning your drawing, okay? And planning what you'll be drawing. So you can also, like, I don't know, maybe your school and work or whatever, you have some free time, just sketch something, okay? And then you can use this pose, put somewhere. Then let's say you're drawing, I don't know, let's say Kiriko, you can use pose that you sketch already into that pose and stuff, yeah. So yeah, there's like this simple version that I use. So how I use it is basically, I pick a character, now I know what to draw. I open up Clip Studio Paint and on the fly I think about, the mood and stuff. And it takes a lot of time while you're drawing, so it's better to plan, but I don't do that. So yeah, now let me tell you about another tip. Okay, another tool is tracking. So like year ago, I had a goal to draw 4,000 hours. So after like 3 months, I stopped because I switched from Procreate to, Photoshop. and there is no really like a time tracking app. I mean, I didn't know about, okay? Because on the iPad you have, the, I don't know what it's called, like it tracks your time on apps, okay? So that's why I stopped it. But recently I've found out something. I found out an app, okay? I don't really know the name of it, but I'll show you in a second. And what it is basically, okay, you press a button and it starts tracking your hours. And what I did before is I would make like a spreadsheet in Excel, or like, I don't know, like Google, Google, the sheets or whatever. And I would just, make one table for day, one column for day, and one column for how many minutes I draw. And then I, made average and stuff, and I still use that. But now I first track it with, it's toggle track, I think. So let me show you. So here, just recently, like, I don't know, it's been like almost 2 weeks, I've started using it. So here you have, this window or something. You just type what you're doing right now and choose a project. So drawing, practice drawing, or whatever you want. Press play and it starts tracking, okay? And then it just goes somewhere here, okay? So each day. Now you can, obviously you have a lot of options, okay? So for example, yesterday I was drawing like 6 hours, okay? And then bing, bing, bing. You just see how many hours a day. And also what is useful right now, you see here, it reminds you, okay? It sends notification for like every 5 minutes. So whenever I, get back to watching YouTube, I just have this constant reminder, and it's pretty PogChamp. So yeah, and also what I used to do that is some, like, I don't know, like Google Chrome extensions where it tracks your time on, websites and stuff. That's also useful. But I really like the visual stuff, the visual, like seeing how many, how much you're drawing and how much you waste time and stuff. So I don't know, I've been drawing like YouTube. So like 26 hours and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 days. Not bad, but not good. My goal was to draw like, like a year ago, my goal was to draw like 4 hours a day, and I gotta, improve that. It's better than before, but yeah. And what can you also do is, you can still use those Google Sheets, but now you can just, write that data into the sheets, and then you get like average stuff and stuff. Yeah, what you want. So now let's go to the next one, which is to-do list. And it's, basic to-do list. What I use is I use this sticky notes. Maybe you see that. So, up top you have to-do list, just call it whatever you want, and then you have tasks. And what I do, just write task and a square. If I did that, check the square. Simple. Always, I don't know, like I have this on my graphic tablet, so whenever, I want to move it, okay, or whatever, it's just always on the view, and that's why I know what to do. And, whenever I waste time, I just see that. But now let's go to the next one, which is habit tracker. And what is this? Basically, I have this clean sheet. Okay, it's basically on one side you have days, okay, and up top you have habits, okay. And what it is you write your habits. So like, for example, like meditation, I don't know, like workout, drawing, whatever, walk. And if you did that in that day, so you have here days, you just check that, bing bing, and that's it. Yeah, that actually helped me with productivity the most. I also had it on the wall, so whenever, like I'm drawing or whatever, or wasting time, I just see what's left for today, and that really boosted me. So yeah, I really recommend it. And obviously you can do, just get the blank piece of paper, you can do that also. I just, recently started printing it, and yeah, but you can obviously do it. I mean, I would recommend it on the wall, okay, on the piece of paper, draw it yourself, write or whatever, because like there is a lot of friction. I used to have this also in Notion, but still we gotta open this app, you gotta ding ding ding, and yeah, but here you have on the wall and you just see, you don't have to open it. So now let's go to the last thing, which is schedule. So what I use for schedule is basically I also have a sheet that I put on my wall, but to that I also use Notion calendar, or whatever calendar you want, okay. And what it is basically, this is once empty, but what it is basically, let's say for today you're planning like from 9 a.m. to like 12 p.m. draw. So let's say draw, okay, and here are my previous ones, so whatever. But yeah, here you have your your task or whatever. Okay, like let's say then you're, I don't know, like eat. Okay, then what you'll do is, I don't know, like maybe learn. Okay, then maybe another drawing session. Okay, maybe here, just, you know, just think of a day you want to have and put it here. Okay, and basically fill the whole, you know, like week. What you can do also is what I do is at the end of the week, or even at the end of the day, just plan your next day, plan your next week, or even month or year, whatever. And obviously when I mean like perfect day, okay, I know that you're probably in school, I don't know, you're probably at work or whatever, so, you know, just play with what you have. So for me, like, day starts not at 6 a.m. when I wake up, or 5 a.m., but at 2 when I come back from work. Okay, so yeah, and so from that time, just do that. And obviously you can skip, it's just a perfect day, so, you know, you can, I mean, not skip, but, you know, you can miss something. Okay, maybe something, you gotta go somewhere, so don't be so hard on yourself. So now this scheduling I use also with this piece of paper. Okay, so here I have like from Monday to Sunday. Okay, and I just write what I want to do. So let's say for Monday I want to post the Widowmaker drawing that I did. Okay, on, I don't know, like Friday I want to post another. So on, I don't know, like Monday, Wednesday, Friday I want to post this video. So here I want to do that, and it's basically, you can also put checks here, and whenever you do that, check it. Okay, so that's pretty useful. And obviously you can do that at, you know, end of the day, end of the week. So yeah, so now to recap everything. Okay, to draw list, pretty good. Okay, you always know what to draw. Okay, and it's good combined with scheduling, because you can schedule like, okay, on Thursday I want to finish drawing, I don't know, Mercy or whatever. And yeah, so tracking, I just like seeing how much I draw a day, to have like a picture of, you know, if I'm wasting time or if I'm not. To-do list, basic stuff. Okay, pretty useful, pretty good. Habit tracker, so, you know, always see what you need to do today, what you already done, and also it gives you like a small dopamine hit. Okay, you feel good after checking something. That's pretty addicting. And schedule, we just went over it. And yeah, so just plan your day, plan your week, plan your month. That would really help me. That would really, you know, motivated me to be productive. Okay, so like all those stuff is great. So yeah, now if you want some cool brushes, I have them for free on Patreon, so you can get them. You can also, you know, get my updated version if you join like end of tier. And also I'll be doing a tutorial, a face tutorial this month, so you can join that and wait for that, or you can just wait for that and then join, whatever. And also I'm doing a course, face drawing course, so you'll learn how to, you know, how I draw, so you can also wait for that. Okay, and yeah, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this, if you find it useful, you know, leave a like, comment. I really would like to listen to, maybe you have some other tools, tips or whatever, just share that. And yeah, subscribe. And yeah, also you can join my socials to see my drawings, my recent drawings. Okay, and yeah, thank you for watching. So to the next one, bye. You can go and create now something, or maybe you can create your to-draw list. So yeah.